So here's how to change your Freecash profile. First of all, open up your Freecash application. So once you're in the Freecash app, tap on the menu on the bottom left corner. From here, tap on the second option that says Profile. So once you're in your profile section, you'll get to see your level, earnings, withdrawals, and other information. Here, tap on the settings option on the top right, and after that, tap on this pen icon beside your name if you want to change it. Then, you will get to see your information like your Freecash ID and also some more information. After that, you can tweak your profile settings from right here. So, go through all the options and change them according to your preference. You can also enable your live stats or receive promotional offers. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will get to see the options to log out or delete your account. So this is exactly how you can change your Freecash profile.